Good morning. I want to give you a quick weather update. The snow flying in the western portions and southern portions of the Treasure Valley, and the roads in the west are becoming very slick, even though there's nothing falling in Ada County early this morning on 2/22/22. Corny, but hey, it works. We may get 2 inches of snow back out in some areas. Some areas may already have that in the ground. So these convective showers that we talked about yesterday in the Oahe Shuffle, some of them didn't shuffle. Some of them are hanging and lingering and are down towards the Snake River Valley. So let's get to the maps right now and show you exactly what's going on and how much I think is coming through. Off with this map. This is the model that talked about the snow coming in to maybe the tune of 1 to 4 inches yesterday. We're getting a piece of that right now, so I want to slow down this animation and go in for a closer look across the region. Down to the bottom of the scale, a dusting around 1/10 of an inch to maybe an inch, going into that lighter shade of blue, and then 2 inches in some spots. And as we go in, here's Boise right in through there. This is where we're starting to see some of that snow starting to pile up. Slide that there, this there. So there you can see Canyon County and Ada County, and there's a good band of 1 to 2 inches of snow back out there by Homedale. And this picture here from Angie, Angie's Metal Arts, strong supporter of the weather show over the years when we first started, and she's out in Homedale and has these great events out there too for selling her metal art. But look at the picture she sent about the snow coming down there. So even though there's hardly any up in Ada County, we're seeing these snow showers move towards the east. And then you can see there's a lot of snow coming down across the southern areas of the Snake River Valley, right in through here and then back into eastern Oregon. And then as that system pinwheels down to the south, into Nevada, down towards Reno, you can see there's tremendous amounts of snow coming down through there. The greens and the yellows, that's where you're getting up near 6 inches of snow. So if traveling south along 95, there'll be a tremendous amount of slippery roads. There were a lot of wrecks on the interstates that we talked about in our previous video. And you can see snow showers starting to erupt down in towards Utah and back towards Colorado. Let me go check out the European model, and you can see there's a band of snow that is developing on and off throughout much of the west. So that gives me about a 0.5 millimeter to maybe up to 2 millimeters. So that's about, 1/2 inch to maybe 1 inch of snow. So with the temperatures down around freezing or below, the roads could get slick across the region here. As we go through the morning and into the afternoon and then tonight. So some light snow going to be moving on in across the Treasure Valley. So this goes out a little bit further in time and brings a really good picture of the snow. So we could see a dusting to an inch going across the Treasure Valley, down towards the Magic Valley, and getting in towards Utah, Snowville, and back down towards the south into northern areas of Nevada. This takes the snow a little bit further out in time as we go in through the 3rd, into the afternoon and to the evening hours of your Wednesday. So it looks like snowy travel. Notice all the snow very heavy down to the south in Utah, back through Colorado, as you talked about in the previous video. Interstate 80 not going to be fun. Interstate 70 certainly not fun. Going down 15s to the south, and 84 not great going to Salt Lake City. So some really wintry travel returns to the west, and we're starting to see that unfold a little bit here in the southern sections of Idaho. So here's a really good picture of a visible satellite picture. You can see this storm system right in through here in the southwest corner. Of course, the Treasure Valley running right down through here. That's where Boise, Nampa, Caldwell is for all those you who are geographically disoriented on YouTube. And you can see this band of heavy snow showers right here back across the southwest corner of the state. That's why we're seeing the snow there. This system will continue to press towards the east, and then we'll see the snow kind of just hug much of the southern tier of Idaho, northern areas of Nevada, and northern areas of Utah. So we see a tremendous amount of snow shower activity coming down here. So going in just past Sand Hollow, the Black's Canyon, we've got snow coming down. Looks like travel is moving there pretty good across the Black Canyon area. So just light snow, but that is going to make the roads slick as you go throughout much of the day. Caldwell not seeing a whole lot, but again, snow on the ground out here with temperatures down below freezing. It is sticking a little bit, but the roadways look good. Looks like everybody's behaving themselves on the roadways there. And down around Cuna, we're seeing some snow on the roads there. Light snow, so nothing big across the region. Of course, Boise's dry with the sun out. As we go back down towards the Jordan Valley, though, You can see there's a little bit more snow down across the Jordan Valley. So on US 95, that's where things will start to go downhill as far as snow goes. This is out around the Basque Station in 95. Look at that whiteout conditions down around US 95 at the Basque Station, looking south around milepost 9162. That's around 4,000 foot elevation. So you're going to encounter some incredibly snow travel there. And if you want to see a more detailed weather forecast for all of the West and all the interstates and all the travel areas, you can check out my forecast right here that I produced a couple of days ago.